Hi, Reggie here from Can't Stop. We are all done. If you remember, I showed you the grass at the beginning. We had to cut the grass and pressure wash the entire lawn. Pressure wash the entire concrete, not the lawn, but pressure wash the concrete area, and we are done. This is what the finished product looks like. This is why you hire the best. I'm just good at what I do. Me and my team, we good at what we do. Remember the mailbox was dirty? Got it clean. Remember this car sidewalk was dirty? Got it clean. Lawn. Got the entire grass cut. Customers happy. What ended up was supposed to be a one-time job turned into a consistent job just off the work. The Can't Stop team. Walk over here, let y'all see. I want y'all to see everything. 770-899-7432. All you gotta do is just give us a call or go to our website and book your appointment, MrCantStop.com. Got this whole driveway cleaned out. The entire driveway pressure washed and clean. And they brought the cars back out. Walk over here. Got this pressure washed and clean. I love, y'all know my favorite word, what I love to say. Either if it's in a text message or if I'm saying it in this video, and y'all will hear in just a minute. I just want y'all to just scroll with me through here. Remember all that dirt that was on this walkway? You got all that time. Look at that. Look at that view. All that dirt that was on here. The lines, scrubber lines, gone. Clean. Clean. Even pressure washed that for him. And he didn't even include that. Just threw that in for him, just to get it done. Look at that. All done. Remember the chimney? Look at that chimney all done. It's the Can't Stop team. Got the entire shed clean. All four sides. And the roof. Got up there on that roof. Got that whole roof cleaned up. We don't play. We let our work speak for ourselves for you. So when you say, well, how do I know you can do it? How I know y'all know what y'all doing? Just go check out our YouTube videos. Go check out our Instagram. Check out our Facebook. Matter of fact, check out customers that they left us reference. Go to Google. Google us. Pull up references on Google. Go to Yelp. Go to Bing. Go to Yahoo. I want you to feel as comfortable as possible when you hire the Can't Stop team to know that these guys know what they're doing. All that dirt that was in here. Spider webs, all that, gone, clean. These guys know what they're doing. This is the work, this is the proof. This is our reference. This is our reference right here when you ask for our reference. This is what we reference. All right, well, I gotta go. And I might be headed to your house right now when I'm saying I'm gotta go at the end of this video, because I might gotta get to your house because you're waiting on me. So let me get out this video. But before I go, What's my favorite word that I love to say? The end of the video is we done. Job done. I love it. Done. Mr. Can't Stop team, MrCan'tStop.com, 770-899-7432. And we'll see you real soon. Happy New Year's. Everybody be safe out there. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. You only got one life to live. So live it to the fullest and have fun. Happy 2018.